And now I have today decided that in the interest of Kenya National Union of Teachers continuity, its membership, myself, I hereby today, the 25th day of June 2021, bow out of Kenya National Union of Teachers leadership honorably. I shall remain loyal to Kenya National Union of Teachers, and I will always be available to advise and support the leadership of the union. I trust that the government of Kenya, as I exit, because I've always been arguing that as long as Sossion stays, the government will not release union dues. I'm making this passionate appeal. I trust that the government of Kenya will find it necessary to allow union dues to flow to Kenya National Union of Teachers again, so that the leadership and the workers can earn a salary and can live decently, and the union can freely organize. I shall continue serving Kenyans in other capacities, and for the remaining period of the 12th Parliament, I shall devote myself to my work at the National Assembly undivided. So my business now is in Parliament. So you may be seeing a politician in the making. And you know, transition is real. Transition is real. I think I've outgrown Kenya National Union of Teachers. And I think now I should move fully to the political world, and we participate in shaping and promoting democracy and good governance and representation of the people in this country. I will be representing workers, teachers included, in my position in the National Assembly. And you can be very sure I'll still be in the National Assembly during the 13th session. And for those who will be elected on Saturday, the 26th, that is tomorrow, the nominations have been done and elections will be done tomorrow. And it is in-person voting. I wish you well, and I urge you never to be compromised by any authority, and don't be converted into tools of commerce. Always respect the mission of the union. And the mission of the union, indeed within its core values, is always to be bold and courageous, of which I'm happy. I've done it well, and I've done my best. I may not be perfect, but I think I've done what was humanly possible within my knowledge and ability. Champion the interests and aspirations of teachers. Forge unity. We need solidarity in the labor movement. The anarchy that has been injected by government must be resisted. Forge unity and never betray your members. I hail the media houses finally. Very honestly, without media we could not work. Without media I could not communicate. I really thank you, very honestly.